Let me tell you why this sin is beyond the song. It's a revelation. Many people meet me. They tell me, Apostle, I prayed and nothing has happened. Apostle, I'm praying, this thing is remaining. Nothing is working. So that's where this sound came from. Prayer penetrates all things in my life. There are resistant circumstances. There are resistant part of your being. Maybe it's in your soul. Maybe it's an addiction. Maybe it's your calling. Prayer enter there.
Adura, baby, Adura. Adura, baby, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura.
Prayer enter me, Adura.
You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer, prayer enter. Prayer, prayer Adura. Prayer enter me. must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Adura, give me Adura. Adura, give me Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer, oh prayer. Adura.
Yes.
Prayer enter me, Adura.
Prayer, enter me, enter my destiny, enter my life, enter my soul. Prayer.
Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. You must enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Prayer enter me, Adura. Adura, baby, Adura. Adura, baby, Adura. Adura, baby, Adura. Adura,
Carry me.
Adura, baby, Adura.
Listen, let me tell you something. I've seen a group of people. They pray with their mouths, but their heart is not carried. No matter how long and how much you exert yourself physically, if prayer does not enter inside, it has not done anything yet. Edward McKendry Brown said that the prayer you are praying that have not moved your heart cannot move the heart of God. And if the heart of God is not moved, the hand of God will not move. Prayer. They said John Hyde, prayer moved his heart from the anatomical position in the left to the right. Prayer. What can God do when men pray with their heart? What can shift? How will God pour out his spirit? What will God do when 5,000 young men cry out and say, Lord, show us your face? When their heart pants for the glory of God till the hand comes in our territory, what will God do? Let the prayer on your lips be the prayer in your heart. Let the prayer enter your heart first. Let it move you. Aha.